So like I'll say, show me yes. So yes is when it goes back and forth. And if I say show me no, then it switches side by side. So let's see. Should I take a pregnancy test next week? Well, it's the new moon today, so this is a great time to start a pregnancy journey. And should she get this pregnancy test next week? It says yes. The pendulum says yes. I don't know what's different today. But I have these chimes. Oh, there. I see them now. I have these chimes here. And they are tuned to the different planets according to Kepler's calculations. And based on the music of the spheres. And that is based on the principle that since everything is moving, and we have these gigantic heavenly bodies that are not only spinning on their axis, but they're moving around, they're making a sound. And so that is the objective of these cosmic chimes and chanting sessions, because this is, to the best of our knowledge, the sound of the new moon, the sound of Venus, which rules sidereal Libra, and is the sound for Ma'at. This is the sound for Sheta. This is the sound of the sun that we associate with Ra. So this is the sound of the new moon and the sun in sidereal Libra. So if you ever find any recordings of the music of the spheres, it won't be chimes. I'm not sure what they use. I guess they use instruments tuned to particular frequencies. So if you want to know more what it sounds like in space, then you would get the recording of the music of the spheres. That's a lot. Still, am I blind? No. Oh, okay. These are pinhole glasses. They have holes in them that force your eyes to focus instead of magnifying what you look at. And I use them when I'm reading, when I'm on the computer, when I'm trying to read these little letters. You know, I am 60 years old, so they help me a lot. Most people my age are using reading glasses or contacts, and so with these I'm able to just keep my vision. Okay, so then